So our agenda for today, we will be showing you, of course, our scale model for Aruga. And then we will be touring you around the property. Tapos balik na direct later. You have and then maybe if you have additional questions also for the property that we can entertain. Okay, so for this one, this is Aruga Resorts and Residences. It's our beachfront property for Rockwell here in Cebu City. Actually, it's our very first and only beachfront property for Rockwell. Just to give you an idea, may no, sorry, it's your first time mag-visit to Aruga? First time, sir? Again? Sir Eugene? Sorry, not Miss Mel. You also, Miss Jo. And Miss Susan. Okay. So, for Aruga, ma'am, it's of course located in Punta Engaño. When coming here, you will pass by the top resorts we have, namely Shangri-La, Sheraton, so same rin as shoreline. For this one, it's a 5.2 hectare development. There will be 4 components for this one. The first one would be this. That's Residential Tower 1. The one in the middle, so this is our hotel or resort. We haven't launched this yet, but that's our target. This is going to be the resort. And then Residential Tower 2 over here. The ones up front, so these are our villas. We have 22 villas in total. And then, of course, what we do highlight is that we have the longest beachfront in Cebu with 270 meters. Now, how can we say na it's the longest? Well, for comparison, Sheraton, nasa kilid, that's 130 meters. Yung beachfront. Okay. Crimson, so that's around 90 meters. Shangri-La is at 190 meters. So, mas nako dyan siya, if not times 2, times 3, what's already existing right now here in Punta Engaño. Okay, so you were dropped off around this area. And then right now, diri. So this is our villa right here. So what's up is really this tower. We have 22 floors in total, averaging 14 units per floor. So that's a 1-bedroom. Ang pinakadako ng may sa 4-bed, but the 4-bed is on the higher floors. So basically, magkataas siya, magka-lesser ang rooms. So most good na adire is 14 units per floor. Okay. And then that's 1-bedroom to 2-bedroom. That's what's available right now in our inventory. A 1-bed starts at 67 to 69 square meters, while a 2-bed is at 99 to 101 square meters. Both of the units will be able to visit it. So right over here, tanan units na naadiri, those are our beachfront units. So tanan ako beachfront units, of course directly facing sa beach, but at the same time it's also facing east. So in the morning it's really good. That's why it makes it one of the most premium units also. On the other side would be of course Magellan Bay. So for Magellan Bay facing units, these are facing the west side na. So for the west side, you would kanang see na there's also a view of the ocean. Kanang dagat bitaw in between Cebu City and Lapu-Lapu. So makita na dito. Especially on a higher floor. But if you're on a lower floor, most likely ang makitaan is Lapu-Lapu City. But still, they still have the view of the mga bukid sa Cebu, kanang Guadalupe na area. Makita sa natin mo. So at night, if the client is not as particular in terms of orientation sa units, this is also a good option because of course it's much lesser than the units facing here, but then hindi gabi inindot siya kay nice city lights. Yes. Questions so far?
Hurot na rin.
Kani?
Villa.
Yes, ma'am. So ang villas na mo, last sold unit was in 2023, averaging at around 600 to 650,000 price per square. So, nasa mga around 85 million. Ang isa ka villa na gamay. Sold out siya. Yes, sold out siya. In fact, pagka sold out, wala pa dyan, di pa out ang mga villas. Mga structural lang siya. So, what's really available in our inventory right now would be 1-bed and 2-bed for this tower. Pretty soon, mag-launch sa Residential Tower 2. But wala pa tayo, Wala pa tayo further details for that. But of course, when we do launch it, we will let you know. But what's good right now is that we have the rent-to-own payment terms, or early move-in payment terms. So it's similar na rent-to-own. So target mo for turnover for this one is by end of this year. So we start from the lower floors going up, so that's progressive turnover. So of course, mas mauna ang mga second, third floor. So once the units are ready, the unit owners can move in silang unit while still paying the monthly amortization. So it's like that. Okay. Sige, so first, the selling price naman, this one, it's around 400,000. Average niya na price per square. On the other side, that's around 320,000 average price per square. Pero ang una dyan, ma-sold out man kayo ang mga diri.
Yes.
So,
beach
we
road.
only have around 5 units available for the 2-bedroom beachfront units. And on the other side, we have a few for the Magellan Bay facing units, the 1-bed and 2-bed. So right now, we're over 94% sold. So that's around 25 units sa inventory. So pwede mo magduha-duha sa mga.
Oo, ito. Laba.
Pwede rin sa tahot ba niyo? No problem at all. Yes.
That's great.
Okay. So I'll proceed to the amenities that we have. Again, we'll say natin later, so I can show that to you. But for the residential tower 1, they have their own swimming pool right here. And then the rest of the amenities will be located on the ground floor of the residential unit. So that includes the gym, the wellness area. So ang wellness naman na area yung mentioned. Sauna, massage tables, apil na siya. Kids room as well. So magian na natin and then what's also good is when you go right here in the back, the residential tower has their own entrance. So na sila yung own gate. And there is a so, pagsulod ninyo, kanina kaberan pa man siya, napani siya yung mga board up. But the residential unit owners, they can come inside right here. Diretso na nasulod silang parking. Dari ang may na-drop off na area. Right over there. And of course, parking are already included for the 2-bedroom units. And nasad sa 1-bed, but hurot na ang mga 1-bedroom na will park.
So all parking is included on already.
Yes, all 2-bedroom units. So mong 1-bed, ang uban units ma'am, na doon siya parking allocation na sold na. So what's available sa inventory kayo? Parking na. Wala pa ganun yung mga ng property.
What is the contribution?
We're at 190 price per square. So, very koan ka na wala pa nang kira. Wala pa nang man.
Sold na taas. So the percentage.
Yes, that's right. Oo. There naman is 400 to 450,000 price.
As per the villas,
For the beachfront units lang, ma'am. For the villas, ma'am, so it significantly increased yun. When we launched it, it was at around 400,000 price per square. Medyo mahal-mahal na yun siya at the time. But right now, the last unit sold in 2023 at around 650. But naanay nag-start of resell, so they're selling it at a much higher price per square. So investment-wise, it's a really good property also because for this whole residential unit, there's only 298 units. Kanin siya tanan. Low dense. And what we really do highlight security. So what's only accepted here is long-term lease, a minimum of 6 months. 6 months to a year. So, dili siya pwede ang Airbnb. Which is, particular kayo ang mga clients na they really ask, are you open for Airbnbs? And dili good siya. Can share with you really general lang na mga plans for this project. But for residential tower 2, so kana exclusive na kanipod exclusive po niya siya because all of the units that will be available for this tower is gonna be beachfront units. And then limited number lang. There's only gonna be at around 100 units lang for this building. So it's single corridor siya. Inigsulod nila. Tanan, window na lang dayon ni Dere. And then on the other side, tanan units. So everything is all beachfront for this tower. So it's always
Units at the back.
no units at the back. So what's good is it's gonna be a win-win situation. Let's say na may client. So